Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel, MIRIAM, LEONARDO, Tango.
We have a nice tip today for timing for followers and for leaders.
It'll be great to improve your tango connection.
Before going to the video, remember to like it if you're enjoying it and subscribe. Also, share with your friends.
Let's get to work right away.
Okay, now something very important for followers. You always tell me, I don't know how fast I have to move compared with the leader. So this is very important. You have to move after the leader. You don't need to rush. Let me show you with a simple side step. If he's leading a side step on our right side, I will extend the leg. But if you notice, he's almost arriving to his place. And later, if I go in very slow motion, later, I will collect. So this is the delay I need to have compared with his speed. Let me show you if I anticipate or if I go too fast. On the same case, side step, I transfer weight. If we arrive together here, this is what happens. we give him so much energy and then we may lose balance. So very important not to transfer your weight from your head right away. Don't try to be side step. Don't try to be at the same time. If you are arriving at the same time, follower, you are too fast. Your timing is side, he's arriving, and later I'm arriving, so we can proceed to the next step.
It's very hard to see it. I mean, when we are dancing, it's very, very hard to see it because it's very minimal, but we still have that delay. So it's very important for you to understand this way. So here we go. Side step. Now, we leaders, we pull. And the way that I'm start transferring her body weight is lowering first. Even if I don't send the leg, look. I'm starting to send her leg, not her head. So that's 1 point. One. Then I will start moving and don't force her to close from this side. I will release a little bit and get ready and give her the time that she needs. Don't push her with your right side.
This is the most important tip for the leader. Let's rotate. Leaders, pay attention how he's not pushing me, forcing me to transfer body weight. He's inviting me to walk into the side step. So for the leader,
we lower. I'm just testing the leg without sending mine. Then we can do it at the same time without pushing. I will transfer body weight and letting release from the embrace and embrace and transfer body weight, of course. But this is what I wanted to say. It's not that we release and we dancing up an embrace. It's not that point. We're still very, very connected, but you have to be sensitive enough to see, to sense how much space she needs. That's what we want you to understand. Not just releasing her and that's it. Keep and try to have a wiggle room in your arm. Like if you see it from the top, we move and this arm can expand without doing this. And at the same time, this is pushing, this is giving her space by lowering the shoulder blade. That will help that a lot.
That makes a big difference for a follower and allows her to extend the leg, keep the upper body in position in axis, and slowly transfer and move to the next position. Same case happens, for example, in molinete. Let's do a molinete so you'll see where we have to be careful with that. So we do side, we syncopate, quick, quick. This is a slow step for followers. So I don't have to rush to go to the front leg. I'm extending, project the leg, projecting, later transferring body weight to fit together or continue going to the molinete. So on that moment, if we don't do that, let's do this in wrong position. Quick, quick, slow. If my slow step is here, front, with head already transferring weight, see how it looks. I'm rushing the leader, I'm pushing the leader to the next position. So very important for follower to make it happen in slow projection of the front. Quick, quick project, then we transfer and we reconnect.
One way that in classes we test, we see the follower realize if he's rushing or not. If you, follower, get too close with your torso and your face to this hand of you, it's because you are rushing. Sometimes this happens. the leader stays here, and then you get too close to your own hand. Don't let that happen. Always have this beautiful position. Can be soft, can be bent, but always with certain distance, the distance that you have normally. Don't let this happen. Tuck. Yes? It's not that the guy is trying to push you and he's being rude. It's that he doesn't want to be rushed. That's why, that's the reaction he has from the guy has to stop you and not, I mean, to keep
the rhythm and the timing.
Exactly. That's the way that he will try to keep the timing. 1 and 2 and 3. Yeah. So keep that in mind.
Mostly front step, we always have to project. Mostly in all the figures. It's very strange to see this and it works. We have to project, go, and then transfer body weight.
If you're enjoying these videos, leave a thumbs up. We really appreciate it. It really helps us to grow the channel.
Okay, let's see you on the next video.
Take care.
Bye.